Hi guys. Okay, so today we are doing, this is my man-made funnel. As you can see, you don't have to have a real funnel. You can use a leftover soda bottle. That was a, I don't know what, 16 ounce? Something like that. So what I did was I poured in just a little bit of the Marte white, and I lifted up the bottom just a tad so the white could go and kind of hold that funnel in place while I put all this paint in there. I have used this one before, and some of my previous ones haven't washed it out. I let the paint dry. I don't know how sanitary that is. I'm not sure if it has to be sanitary. I'm not sure. But now, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did just put gold against blue and then the turquoise. Last time I did that, oh, and then you're going to repeat the colors again. Okay. Now, last time I put the gold against blue and kind of whatever, I got greens. Now, I actually was okay with that happening this time if it did happen, and I put the white against the red because I was okay with pink happening. I mean, I was going wild this time, people. Wild. Pipi was going wild. Anyways, I was like, you know what? There's spring in the air. I'm hearing birds outside. Flowers are coming out. And we were just freezing how many weeks ago? Not that very long. I mean, literally freezing in our houses, okay? Like, absolutely crazy. And we're seeing flowers on the trees, okay? This year is flying by. Anyways, so I put all the colors in the funnel, soda bottle, whatever you want to call it. And now we are putting the white base down, which is Marte white. And I'm putting it down because I want the paint to flow when I get it out of the funnel. Because I am not quite familiar with this technique, I don't want it to like go over itself and then the colors to get all muddled together. I just want it to look beautiful as it comes out. So that's why I put the paint down on the canvas. Now, I did slow. I wanted you to see what it looked like as I was putting the paint down. But anyways, I did slow this next part down because, oh, it looked so cool when it was coming out. I just had to show you guys. I mean, look at this. It just looks so awesome. And what I'm doing is I'm just kind of turning the funnel to make this like zigzag. Oh, it just gives me chills just watching it. Anyways, I just had so much fun with this painting. And the purples. And I didn't even put that much purple in it. Anyways, I just had so much fun with this painting. I need to do more of these. And then after I did that, I still had some paint that was still inside. So I was like, you know, I'm just going to have fun. Like, I literally had too much fun with this one. So I just wanted to see what I could do, what I could accomplish. So I was just messing around with it, and so I was just trying to get more paint out of the funnel part of it, and I was not trying to accomplish anything because yeah, anyways, so I ended up blowing it out a little bit here because I wanted to see what was under the purple, because I was like, you know I put in a lot more than purple paint in here, and so I wanted to see what was under it, because you know, I blow everything out. That's just what I do. So I started blowing it out, and then I'm like, well, there's still too much paint in the middle. If I just leave it, I'm going to have issues with like paint cracking. But then something happened. I don't know what happened. So I apologize, guys. I ended up pouring it, and then something else happened. I poured it, and then I blew it out. Just in that little middle section. I'm so sorry. I guess my pause button looks like my play button. I don't know. Whatever. But, okay, so after you do all that, you need to torch these because you will have air bubbles. Because of how you put it in the funnel, you will have air bubbles. So make sure you torch it. And because I used the Amsterdam white, I was able to get like these little cells. I mean, I don't care if I have cells or not, but it was really cool. But I did get this little blowing out part, which is kind of awesome. And this created like, I don't even know, like a really cool effect on the very bottom, kind of like little flowers. I'm thinking like it's like space flowers. I have no idea. Needless to say, what's really awesome is this painting sold while it was still wet. I showed it to a friend of mine, and she fell in love, and it sold. And I was like, whoa, 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 it's still wet. We don't know how it's gonna look when it's dry. She's like, I don't care. I love it. It's sold. So, sorry guys, this one's sold already. But I wanted to share with you the technique, the colors. But I mean, just look at how the swirls and the, you know, I just wanted to show you guys kind of how I did it. And I'm sorry that my camera just, I had a total conniption with my but this is the dry reveal, and the red, the purples, the gray / blue, the gold even. I mean, the gold next to the turquoise and that blue gray is just wow. And I mean, oh, look at that right there, the purple with the turquoise. Oh man, it's just the everything, the combination. And literally when I was trying to think about what colors to use for this painting, I was just like, well, let's just throw it together. Let's use this one, let's use this one. Oh, and we'll put a little bit, like my red was literally empty. So I'm just putting a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and I absolutely love this. So I hope that Dee is going to enjoy this 100%. And I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. Look me up on Instagram and continue following me on YouTube. Comment below. Watch some of my other videos. I really, really love you guys. I hope you have a great week, and see you guys later. Bye.